Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to do a little bit more work on this Big Bear today. Actually, we've already done it, and I'm just recording this now because I forgot to do it when I started. So, anyway, there's the old girl. She's sitting there waiting for her engine, sorry. I got two new foot peg shafts here. One on each side. The other two were bent. I painted up the two covers here for the engine. And today, what I did is I replaced the shift shaft, which comes out here. You notice this has other covers on it. I've got two engines. I wanted to put covers back on it because I'm going to power wash this grease off of here after I plug up all the holes, and so I just stuck these covers on for now. But we got the shaft in. That's what you're going to watch here after I'm done, is me putting the shaft in. It's about 13-14 minutes worth. I tried to shave out as much garbage as I could. I must apologize though, I was wearing the headband GoPro, and unfortunately it must have got bumped partway through and it wasn't showing the full screen of what I wanted to show, but it does show pretty much what I did. So hopefully you'll get a little something out of it. Alright, first thing we're going to do is work on getting a replacement for this. Actually, we already got a replacement for that, we just need to get it installed. This would be the second one of these I've installed. I screwed up a couple of times on the first one. We'll see if we can eliminate those mistakes on the second one. I had this plate off before and I put it back without a gasket, so I do have gaskets on the way. Alright, let's get a little rag. There's a rag and a couple of things. Alright. There is, and you probably can't see it, I don't know, without moving this, there's a C-clip right down in here that holds this shaft in place. Now what I did on the last one was I took this off, and then when I took it off I ended up losing, there's a little tiny clip right here, and I lost it. Alright, so I went and made me a pusher to push the C-clip off. You can see here, maybe. And I did push it off, and it fell down in there, of course. But that's alright, I can get it out of there. Not a problem. Okay, so this shaft should just pull right out. Well, it's not going to pull right out, but it should pull out fairly easy. There it is. I could turn some light on back here. I don't know if that would help or not. So, this end down here is all chewed up because I had to cut it off. So I got a spare one. Okay, and here's a new one. This is in really good shape. All we got to do is get it in place. I don't know how easy that's going to be. I think I'm going to need my light again. And it's in place. Now we got to retrieve that C-clip, which we might do with a magnet, but I'm not sure. Let's see if we can see it down there. Probably not. Yeah. It's not going to give up easily. That's for sure. I don't see it. So I think we're going to have to turn it over and take the tack gear off. That's not going. That's not cleaned. Damn. All right. Well, damn, you get old, you just lose all the strength in your hands. All right. What we're going to do now is take this. This doesn't come out easily, by the way. All right, now to get that off, we're gonna find something to wrap on it with. It's loose. Now all we gotta do is get it out of there. There's something down there that keeps it from coming out. I'm not sure what it is. It's that pin right there. That's what holds it. Okay. Now, if we turn this over, did it fall out? No, I heard something. And let's take a look. I see it. Let's see if I can get my... Yeah. There we go. We got her. Now we got to get it back on where it belongs. It's always something, isn't it? All right. Uh-oh. I have the engine sitting on my iPhone. That's probably not good for it. Now, let's hope this hasn't shifted. We can see down in there. We're good. You see the groove in there. That's where the C-clip goes. The problem is to get it on there and then drive it home. That's an E-clip, not a C-clip. Dummy. Okay. If we can get it started, which we got it started. Now, if I can take a blunt instrument and just tap it. Oh, let's see if we got a pin punch with a wide nose on it. I doesn't see any. Look in here. Ah. All right. Now, what could happen is it'll push it down. What probably will happen is it'll fly off into nowhere. But it went on. Excellent. Did you guys see how well I did that? All right, now, there's one more little problem here. When I took this guy out, I noticed, took the bad one out, that there's a clip on it too. And that clip will go right there. Let's see if I can point to it. Right at the head. All right, so I got my little clip in there. So that holds it from going in too far. And the E-clip on the inside keeps it from coming out. Now, as you can see, we got some cleanup to do, and you probably don't want to watch that. So, I'm going to start cleaning this puppy up. We're pretty much ready to put her back together, and pretty soon put it back in the bike. You're going to have your heartbeat back pretty soon.